Today's Spanish lesson, we will be learning about indefinite articles in Spanish. In, and so, in today's lesson, by the end of this lesson, you guys will know what an indefinite article is, and you'll also be able to utilize them and express them in Spanish. Okay, let's get started. So let's talk about what an indefinite article is. So an indefinite article is a word that expresses either a or an or some. In Spanish, there are four indefinite articles, and they are un, una, unos, unas. How about you try that? Let's say them. Un, una, unos, unas. When we use un or una, those are considered singular indefinite articles, and they express a or an, as in a ball, a cat, an apple. When we use unos or unas, those two indefinite articles express some. For example, some balls, some cats, some apples. All right, so let's take a look at it. Let's apply it. If you notice here, we have una mochila. Let me hear you say it. Una mochila. Great. And what does it mean? A book bag. All right, let's look at the next one. Let's say it. Unas mochilas. And what does that mean? Yes, some book bags. Let's continue. Un libro. Let me hear you say that. And what does it mean? A book. Okay, let's continue. Unos libros. You try it. Some books. Now, guys, you're probably asking or thinking, well, how do I know what to use with my words? With actually my nouns. And let's just recap. What's a noun? What's a noun? Yes, a person, place, or thing. So this is how we know. In Spanish, if I have a singular feminine noun, and typically they end in A, I would use una to apply my indefinite article or to utilize my indefinite article, as in una mochila. In Spanish, if I have a plural feminine noun, I would use the indefinite article unas to express some. In Spanish, if I have a singular masculine noun, and they typically end in O, I would use un to apply my indefinite article. For example, un libro. In Spanish, if I have a plural masculine noun, I would use unos to express some. Okay. All right. So let's try it. Let's work on these. Okay, so I'm going to model the application of using indefinite articles for you guys, and then we're going to team up and do two together. All right, so if you'll notice, I have the word silla. Let me hear you say silla. Yes, and I want to express a chair. Well, I have to find my indefinite article to do that. Silla is singular and silla is feminine. So that points me to una. to express my indefinite article. So let me put that in front of the word. All right. So I would say una silla to express a chair. Now, let me do the next one. I have sillas, but I really want to say some chairs. I don't just want to say chairs. So how would I do that? Yes, since it's plural and feminine, I have to say unas sillas to express some chairs. All right. Now, how about we do this together? So we have escritorio, which simply means desk, but we don't want to just say desk. We want to say a desk. Let's do it together. Would I use un or would I use una? Well, those are the two singular indefinite articles. Which one would I use? Yes, I would use un. You got it right. We would use un because un is the singular one, but it is also the one that applies to our masculine nouns. And so, un escritorio, yes, a desk. Okay, guys, let's do the next one together. Look at escritorios. All right, what do we want to say? Did I hear it? Yes, we want to say some desk. So we need that indefinite article, don't we? So let's select our indefinite article. Now, we know that we can't use unas because that would mean that we're working with a feminine noun, but escritorios is not feminine. Escritorios is masculine. So we're going to use the masculine indefinite article that is plural, which is unos. All right, so some desks, let's say it. Unos escritorios. All right, we did that. So awesome job, guys. Now, I believe you guys are ready to do it on your own. So it is time for you to try it all by yourselves. So, guys, I want you to refer back to this page in your packet. And I'm pretty sure you've already traced your words and probably matched your words with your picture. So that's something you can do in your own time, whereby you would match each word with a picture by simply drawing a line from the word to the picture or from the picture to the word. Okay. All right. Now here's what I want you guys to do to practice those indefinite articles. I would like for you to write in front of each vocabulary word the correct indefinite article. Yes. So, so you guys have a lot to do. Keep in mind that some of these words are masculine, and I did point out those that are masculine that don't end in your typical O. So you'll notice that we use computador for the computer, and that's actually masculine. Borrador is also masculine, and marcador is also masculine. So keep that in mind, guys. And also, if you'll notice, libros is plural. So keep that in mind as well as you place your indefinite articles in front of your words. Okay, guys, I can't wait to see how you do. I know you're going to do great. All right, that concludes the end of our lesson. Guys, have a wonderful day. Miss you guys. Love you guys. Bye-bye.